Here is another thing. There is two opinions considering the origin of modern human. Original continuity model, and second one is replacement model. So ways of obtaining food, there are different thinkings that how homo generated themselves to get food. So here is three terms which are given: gatherings, scrav- scavenging, and hunting. So in gathering would involve collecting plant food such as seeds, nuts, beer, berries, fruits, and tubers. That gathering was practice of individually rather than collectivity. So early human, and here is second term, early human scavenged or foraged for meat and animal that had died or led killed by other predator. Hunting probably being later about 5 lakh years ago, the earliest cleaner uh, evidence for the described planning, hunting, and butchery of large mammals come from two sites. So, the evidence for the planted hunting come from some sites. Fishing was also important, as is evidence from the discovery of fish bone at different sites. Fishing was practiced from river, ponds, and lakes with hands, stones, and woods by the early human beings. From tree to cave and open air sites, by plotting the distribution of artiface, we can find out the place of residence of the hominids. In some area, food resources were abundant and people visited respectively. The deposit artiface would accumulated in one place. Pupils would leave traces of their activities and presence, including artifices between 4 lakh to 12 lakh years ago. Cave and open air sites being to used by humans. In the uh, Lar, Largeret cave in South France, a 12 into 4 meters shelter was built inside it to huts, and evidences of different food sources were found from here. At Terra Amata in southern France, Flems, Flemsy shelters where roofs of wood and grasses were built for short-term seasonal visit. Pieces of baked clay and burnt bone, along with stone tools, have been found at sites of South Africa. We do not know that these were resultants of a natural bushfire or volcanic eruption or collected use of fire. So it's mean that somewhere we get the evidence of fire from hominoids. So the use of fire to provide warmth and light inside cave, they can use fire, or harden woods, or maybe that they use fire to scare away dangerous animal, or maybe that they use fire for cooking or making tools.